I cook a lot for my family, and I'm pretty okay at it. And on the struggle bus, pretty okay is pretty great. You'll notice pretty quick that this is not your typical cooking show. Why? Because most cooking shows are for people that have their lives together. And I just want to... Sorry. Because most cooking shows are for people that have their lives together and just want to add some fancy metaphorical cherry on top of their already well-managed lives. That's great for those people. But there's not a lot out there for people like you and me who just need something quick, cheap, and easy. I'm not going to help you make the perfect side for your already perfect meal. I'm just going to help you make something better than ramen. My recipes are meant to be cheap, fast, easy, and tasty, but I feel like that one's implied. You might notice that I didn't say healthy. That's for 3 reasons. 1, because I don't care about healthy, and vegetables are gross. 2, if your typical diet consists of ramen and fast food, pretty much anything home cooked is already healthier. And 3, a healthy recipe is only helpful if you actually cook it. And let's face it, if it's too time-consuming, too expensive, or requires a trip to some sort of weirdo hipster market, you're probably never going to cook it anyway.
I love food and stuff. It's where I buy all of my food. And most of my stuff.
In my polished videos, it might look like I don't belong on the struggle bus. But the reality is that I have ADHD, and I frequently forget to cook, forget to buy things at the store, or forget that my breakfast that I warmed up has been sitting in the microwave all day. Sometimes, my forgetful and impatient habits lead to bigger issues, like starting my house on fire, which, don't worry, had nothing to do with cooking. Who else are these struggle bus videos for? Well, anyone really, but specifically, college kids, single people, ADHD adults, poor people, busy people, and people with their sink full of dishes right now. That's right, I'm talking to you. With this audience in mind, I have assigned stats to all of my recipes to show how well they perform at the overall goals of being quick, easy, and cheap. Specifically, I have 6 categories that are mostly backed up by quantitative and not subjective data. That's right, I'm a nerd too. These stat categories are number of ingredients, prep time, cook time, number of dishes dirtied, number of steps, and the cost versus the store or restaurant equivalent. Additionally, I aim to be as realistic as possible, which means that I film in my real kitchen, which sometimes has real messes, with my real kids, who are sometimes a real problem, and with a real-time timer going during the cooking process to show you exactly how long things take, without any editing trickery. So if you're tired of spending all your money eating out, tired of eating whatever boring crap you have in your fridge, or tired of videos that promise something quick and easy, and then proceed to show you a recipe that uses 13 ingredients, as well as 3 bowls, a mixer, 2 pans, and a garlic press, climb aboard the struggle bus. The fare is free, but you are encouraged to like and subscribe.